3 reasons why your man doesn't correct you. Lack of respect, which is number 1. If you don't respect your man, one of the things that comes about is silence. Because the man tends to feel like he cannot belong in such a place or in such an environment. Ladies, you have to understand, when a man comes back home, he doesn't come home to a house. He comes home to an environment. A house is just a place, but a home is the atmosphere. And that atmosphere is created by you. I know it takes both of your efforts to make everything become better in that relationship. But the language that a man understands better is respect. You can give the man all the love you can give. You can speak of it. But if you don't respect him, he will not respond to anything that is required. The question is this: why are there many kinds of domestic violences? And I'm not advocating for such. It's because men who cannot control their emotions, they feel disrespected and they overreact instead of acting. So they find themselves reacting and overreacting. Remember this, my sisters, that men love sex, but respect and honor even more. A man who feels respected, a man who knows he is respected, a man who can see he's respected, will do anything for that woman. He will go above and yonder to make sure that the kind of appreciation that he needs to give to the woman is basically received or achieved. So respecting a man is very crucial. Do what you can. And this is what I always say. Let it go. Let the man love you. Women don't know how to love. Let the man love you. That is what you need to do. Because you have to show it also by proving, by giving that man respect. If you give him respect, he's gonna love you. He's gonna do it. So respect your man. Number 2, he feels it's not worth the conflict. Reason why he doesn't correct you, he feels it's not worth the conflict. So many men go silent because of this one thing. They tend to hide the truth. They tend not to speak because they're like, if I speak the truth, it's gonna cause conflict. Why? Because the kind of women that some men are married to are not willing to accept the truth. That is why we find that there are relationships that are kept for long with the lies. Sometimes I always say, you'd rather lose a friend with the truth than keep them with a lie. So many men are avoiding conflict, and that is why they see it that they cannot correct their partners and all that. So take responsibility as a young lady and get to understand marriage is a place, or a relationship is a place whereby 2 people get involved and each one of them understands their roles, and you do it the way it's supposed to be done. Respect your man, love on your man, give that which comes from within. If you want chaos, then you will be giving chaos. Number 3, the other point, this very point, when people talk about it, they tend to think it's because of insecurities and all that. Because one of the things that many people don't understand is that when it comes to family, most men are family oriented. Sometimes men feel like they really want to be a part of a family, but unfortunately what happens is that situations happen. At the end of the day, they lose the essence of the relationship. So number 3, he's checked out mentally or spiritually. So some men stop connecting because they've already emotionally exited the relationship, and that is why they feel like they can no longer correct you. You do whatever you want. So emotionally they are not available for you, and they're not willing to be a part of you. So they are there physically, but emotionally they are not. And that is why also spiritually they cannot connect with you. They already disconnected themselves. Have you ever had this question where ladies speak and say, my man does not love me? That's the reason. It's because most of the time they've checked out emotionally and they've checked out spiritually. He may once have spoke up about the issues that are happening in the relationships, but the ideal thing is that they are not willing to be part of that journey. So take responsibility and understand that you need to do all those three things.